for our fate. We fight to remove all foreign power from our soil.
We are Al-Qatala.
We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watcher to 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the X before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it.
Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your set point.
Roger, on the move.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
What are the odds we run into General Barkov?
Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Heads up.
Сюда, наверх! Я слышал! Закрепнем!
Hearing 2.
Looking for us. 2 mercs, no uniforms.
Что-то слышишь? Сейчас! Эй! Кто здесь? Выйди! Покажись!
They're game. Drop them.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land. Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. Vehicle coming in the main gate.
Medium transport truck.
Transport for the gas. Vehicle's on the move.
One in the tower. Left side high, not army. Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in.
Patrol vehicle. Contractors.
Security. Good targets. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold off. Let him approach.
Здесь люди. Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас.
Clear. Force up.
Looks like someone was playing with fire.
Serves him right, hawking this chemical shit.
Пожалуйста, помогите!
Put him out of their misery. Finish him off.
Туши огонь! Я пытаюсь!
Don't wait, on me.
Мне платят, чтобы я воевал, а не пожары тушил! Если сдохнешь, тебе никто не заплатит!
3-1, make it up.
Hitman's coming to you.
Усилить переметр!
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Contact! Got an MG gas on that second gas! He's dug in! Lay some pressure to get up there! You... Bring out your gun and stay in cover, Echo! Echo 3-1, stay direct the weapon on the door frame! Good suppression! Flank up and take him out!
Force out. We need to secure the gas before they move it.
They're moving! Right, guns in the open! Got a target! Enemy northwest! Just nullify that gun nest! Movement! Got a target! Move out! They're to us out! Stay within the barrier! Get low on that gun nest, Echo! Between the buildings! Got a target! Shut him down! They're moving between the buildings!
Press that MG! Move when it lights up!
Get up behind that gun!
Press that MG!
Let's move!
MG, down!
Nicely done, CIA!
Woman's got you down! Runners! They're breaking for the warehouse! Enemies west of our position! I don't see them! Got a runner! Got him! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late. Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up. Let's do this. What?
They killed the power.
Go white light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you, could have been the airstrike.
Oh, they're here.
Shit, you see that?
Find him. He's down.
Got him.
Moving on the catwalk. That one moving from the south.
Got him.
Moving on the catwalk. That one moving from the south.
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger, 3-1.
Light's coming on.
Power's up.
Hey! We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out.
Come on, Echo. Got a front row seat for you.
All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
It's good work, Alex. Rally is the hook point for egress.
Back off! Back off!
Watcher to 3-1, how come? Alex, you read, over.
I got you, 3-1.
Answer. Manorusi. Marines. Amitan. Lazim nitarak. Baran. Barakku. Salah.
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John.
Laswell.
Where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't...